Hey guys, welcome back to my wonderful channel, Ikeakejoy, aka msjovou. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. So guys, today's video I'm going to be dry curling my hair for the 5th time, and you guys can see my hair. You can see I used Hollywood kit to get my coils last time, so this time I got leisure coil. So I got it from BBW Tools, and this is leisure coil coconut oil kit, permanent cold wave coiling system. Okay, you guys know I've been saying this is scarce, and I also got hair combs and edges brush. So those are things I got. No further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, we decided to go outside because he said when we're applying the relaxer and it makes people uncomfortable, so we decided to stay outside to like apply the relaxer. And you guys can see my hair, the coils are still there. You guys know I have naturally soft hair, and yeah, just dry. I'm not like taking good care of it because I've been so busy. I just want the coils to pop out more. To be frank, I do not like the Hollywood kits. I kind of like the leisure coil. Even he was like, the leisure coil kit is so good on my hair, so he would prefer I get the leisure coil. So that's why I had to look for a way to get it that particular day. So you can see he sectioned my hair into 4 parts, and now he's applying the relaxer on those 4 parts. So after applying the relaxer on my hair, I stayed for like 15 to 20 minutes so it could relax properly. That was what was written in the manual. So I let the relaxer stay for 15 minutes plus on my hair before he washed my hair. Okay, so that's basically it. After 15 minutes plus, because I knew I stayed more than 15 minutes, we decided to wash the hair. He boiled water and mixed it with cold water so the water could be like lukewarm, a little bit warm. So that was what he used to wash my hair. He didn't apply any other thing. He just went in with the lukewarm water, and after that he got a towel and dried my hair. So you can see how my hair is relaxed. The next thing he did was to apply the coil booster. That was what he did. He applied it on my hair. You section my hair and apply it, and then cut it, then put the rulers. Okay, I feel like the way you arrange the rulers on the hair is actually the way the coils are going to form. So after applying the rollers on your hair, like arranged on your hair, you get the cap that's in the kit and you use it to cover your hair. That's basically it. You cover your hair and let it stay for at least 10 minutes. That's what is written on the manual. So you stay for 10 minutes, but I think I stayed for 20 to 30 minutes. He said I have to let it stay on my hair so the curls to form properly. After 10 to 20 or 30 minutes, decide to rinse the hair again with lukewarm water. You can see. Then after that, he's going to go in with the neutralizer, and I'm also going to cover my hair again. After I cover my hair, I'm going to stay for like 10 minutes to 30 minutes and I'll rinse it off again. And once that's done, he removed the rollers, then apply the coil activator that comes with the kit. Style the hair, and guys, that was basically it. So getting a Jheri coil is not that hard. You just have to meet a professional, like someone who knows how to do it very well, get a good result. Okay, so if you want the coils to form more, I believe you have to allow the coil booster for a very long time, probably an hour plus, to get a desirable result and all that. So you guys, that's basically how I got my hair looking all goody, everything on point. Yeah, so I hope this video is helpful to each and every one of you. If it was, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, drop a comment down, share to your family and friends, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. That's just it. You can see cut the tip of the hair because I told him to, since that was what I'm used to. You get, the other lady in my hometown, she always cut the tip of the hair, so I told him to cut the tip of the hair, and so that was what he did. And yeah, that's it. That's basically it. And I actually love my Jheri coil with leisure coil coconut oil kit. The Hollywood kit, I don't know, so many of you prefer the Hollywood kit, but for me, I prefer the leisure coil because it's good for my hair, and that was the first product I used to start my Jheri coil hair journey. So I believe my hair likes it and likes the product. But when I cut my hair after I had my big shop last year, December, I used Hollywood kit and my hair was not really vibing with it. Like the coils were not really forming, and you guys can see even when I came here to get my Jheri coil done again, you can see that my coils were not forming. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Like it was just so dry, it just looked like my natural hair. I believe my hair was actually transitioning back to my natural hair. After 2 to 3 months, I'll start noticing some undergrowth on my hair. My hair will begin to transition back to my natural hair, like a lot of undergrowth. That's new hair growth. That's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it's helpful to each and every one of you. This is the final look. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, drop a comment down, share to your family and friends, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.